Do you make jewellery but sometimes struggle to polish and finish your work to a high standard? If so, you're not alone, and this professional online course from Jewellers Academy was made for you. Taught by founder of Jewellers Academy, Jessica Rose, you'll be guided through 10 mini videos in how to create a high shine on silver and gold jewellery by hand or machine. Starting with the basics of filing and sanding through to working with a pendant motor, barrel polish and popular home polishing machine, the Jewel Tool. You will learn the techniques behind why we polish metal the way we do and how to achieve the best result for your unique work. Looking at polishing around stone settings, inside lockets and lots more. Getting the right finish on your piece can make the difference between selling or not, so this is an essential skill for every jeweller. All Jewellers Academy courses come with ongoing access, downloadable notes to support your learning, and a supportive community of jewellers to ask for help. Sign up today and get started right away, and let's get that jewellery you love so much polished really well.